Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. So it's a real nice Sunday today, so that's why the hair's a little messy today because I didn't really do it. I just woke up. So let's get to today's video, guys. I really don't cover Straight Talk that much, but they are part of the prepaid brand out there. So let's go ahead and cover it. I think this is really good news, and a lot of people don't even know about this. I think so. These news are brought to you by bestmvno.com. Check them out, guys, if you haven't checked them out yet. A really good source of information. And like I said, I don't think they have a YouTube page, so I'll go ahead and shout them out and kind of share their information with you guys and give you my own personal opinions. So Straight Talk's really good. A big competitor in the prepaid industry. I know most people think of Boost, Cricket, and Metro by T-Mobile, but like I said, there's also Straight Talk. It's really big. It's grown and blown up quite a bit in the last couple of years. So it says Straight Talk first changes under Verizon ownership. So if you guys don't know, Verizon, I believe, bought Straight Talk and TracFone. They bought TracFone out. So TracFone has like Straight Talk, Net 10, and all those under their umbrella. So now that Verizon owns them, you know, you would think it'd only get worse, but it's actually getting a little bit better. And some changes are a little bit different. So that's why we're gonna talk to you guys about that today. So $45 plan goes unlimited. If you guys don't know too much about Straight Talk, they're a big partnership with Walmart. So if you go to Walmart, you'll always find Straight Talk phones and service cards and everything. So it's basically the only place you can really get Straight Talk. It's either online or Walmart. So their $45 plan goes unlimited. It's really good. It's a really competitive price, guys. For $45 a month, you can't go wrong with it. And of course, it was $55 before, but like I said, we'll get more into that in the video. So scroll down here. Like I said, I'm not gonna read exactly everything, but I'll skim through most of it, give you the important information, and then we'll go into Straight Talk's website and everything. So it says Straight Talk Wireless has made its first plan change under Verizon's ownership, leading the way with changes to the $45 plan, which now includes unlimited data. So it says Verizon formally announced the closing of its acquisition of TracFone on and its associated brands on November 23rd. Best MVNO learned of this particular plan through Reddit. So see, even Best MVNO, they get information from other people like Reddit. Reddit's pretty big. So it says Straight Talk's $45 plan. It used to offer 25 gigs, which, guys, 25 gigs for 45 was actually a pretty decent amount. I think that was pretty generous of them. So for $25 a month, I think that was pretty generous at 45. But we rather get unlimited data at 45 for same price. So it's pretty competitive at that price. Like I said, it's real competitive. So it says 25 gigs of high-speed data before throttling to go along with unlimited talk and text. It also comes with 10 gigs of mobile hotspot. So it used to come with 10 gigs of mobile hotspot on the 45 gig plan with 25 gigs, but now they cut that in half. So it says hotspot feature has now been downgraded with the plan upgrade. So I know a lot of people don't really use the hotspot that much. At least I don't. If you're traveling, you probably use the hotspot more. But I really don't use the hotspot. 5 gigs for us as a family would be plenty since we have Wi-Fi at work and here at the house. So it says the 45 gig or $45 plan now only offers 5 gigs of mobile hotspot. It says like all the Straight Talk other unlimited plans, it may not be truly unlimited. So Straight Talk, they say, oh, unlimited data for 55 or 65 or now $45. It's not truly unlimited if you look at the fine print, guys. And I kind of do like that on their website. It does kind of show it now. They don't hide it where you have to read the terms and conditions. They actually show you. So it says the plan comes with a disclaimer from Straight Talk that says we reserve the right to review your account after 60 gigabytes. Guys, 60 gigabytes is a lot of data. I mean, to me, this is true unlimited. I think Boost Mobile now thinks unlimited data is like 35 gigs or something like that, which is a joke. But I mean, 35 should be plenty actually for a lot of people. But 60 gigabytes, guys. If you're using 60 gigs on your phone, I don't know. You might have issues. Oh, just kidding. You might. I don't know what you're doing, man. But I do understand. I'm not just you know naive about it. I know a lot of people don't have, especially here in rural America. I live in North Carolina. It's really rural. I'm around here. I actually live in a little bit rural America. I'm a little bit, I'm about like 10 minutes away from the city, but it's, pretty wooded and stuff out here. So thank God I have Wi-Fi here, pretty good Wi-Fi at that. So 60 gigs, I mean, that sounds like it's a lot of data, guys. But if you think about it, I mean, you're going to blow through it if you're watching movies, playing games on it. So 60 gigs, I mean, it should be plenty. But honestly, me working in the cell phone industry, I've seen people use 100, 200 gigs of data. Like I said, they just don't have Wi-Fi. It's not that they can't afford it. Maybe it's just that they don't have accessibility to it. So, be grateful you do get a Wi-Fi in your area. So, but like I said, now there are some reports that people are using more than 60 gigs. Some Reddit users are saying they're using more than 60 gigs, but they're doing it more where they're like in a rural, I don't know why I can't say that, environment versus like if you're, out in the city. If you're straight in the city, it's more congested. I think Straight Talk will look more into that because you're really, bogging down the towers if, in a big city. Now, if you're in the country and maybe there's only a couple houses near you, Straight Talk might just not care, honestly, because you're not really congesting the tower that bad. Here's some of the terms and conditions, that Straight Talk does give you. So within a 30-day period or 1 month, if you're using more than 60 gigs, they will check that. If you're calling more than 43,200 minutes, I don't know who will be talking that much. Maybe if you're working from home or you're, a dispatcher, but a regular use, guys, I don't even think I've used an hour of talk time per month, honestly. Like I said, I know every person's different, but good Lord, 43,000 minutes. Yeah, you're probably abusing the system. They probably think you're a telemarketer. If you're sending more than 30,000 text messages or 3,000 text messages over a 24-hour period, I mean, they need to up that. I mean, I know some people might send more than that. But like I said, the average Joe, I think you'll be all right, especially if you're on iPhone using iCloud or iMessage. I think you won't hit that. But they're probably thinking the same thing. You're doing spam or you're sending out a bunch of spam text messages. And also if you're placing calls of an unusual long duration, or if your data, talk, and text usage is otherwise harmful or disruptive to the carrier's network. So basically, if you're bogging down the network, because remember, Straight Talk, if you're using Verizon's network, you're using other people's network with Straight Talk. Now they're under Verizon, so they might not care too much, or maybe bump up the data. Who knows? But remember, you're bogging down the tower, and you're not getting priority data at all. So just check that. And like I said here, 60. However, the 60 gig cap might be a soft cap, so they might just be like, "Yo, chill out with the data," because, like I said, other users have reported them using more than 60 gigs. I think one guy said he used 150. He was never, told, get off the network or anything like that. It says it's possible the cap is network or location dependable. For the time being, Straight Talk Wireless can still be used on the customer's choice of either AT&T, T-Mobile, or Verizon. So, like I said, if let's say there's only one tower in your area and you're using a lot of data, guys, they're probably going to get on you. But if there's multiple towers in your area and not many people are on it and you're using it, I don't think they'll really care, honestly. So, so they have adjusted other plans as well. So this says the $45 plan isn't the only plan that got updated. Now Straight Talk 60 unlimited international plan also got updated from 25 gigs of data to unlimited. So it's pretty cool. So before you would get 25 gigs of data with international calling. That was only 25 gigs. Now you get unlimited, which is nice. Another plan change is that Straight Talk's 55 unlimited, ultimate unlimited, which was the original unlimited plan, now includes 100 gigs of cloud storage. It previously had none. So cloud storage is, if you have an iPhone and you have iCloud, I don't really think you'll be using it that much, but it's nice for people that have maybe Androids that don't want to pay extra, to store it in the Google Drive or something like that. It's kind of nice. It says its previous plan did not have this. Also, an unconfirmed change to the $35 plan. For months, Straight Talk's $35 plan had a double data offer running on it. Straight Talk's homepage still lists the plan as having double data. However, the plan details page no longer shows the $35 plan having double data. So who knows about that? It says 35 gig plan or $35 plan just shows as coming with 10 gigs of high-speed data before throttling, and 5 gigs of mobile hotspot. I mean, for 35, you're getting 10 gigs, guys. That's pretty good, honestly. Ooh, FedEx. I wonder what I'm getting. Now, of course, with these plans, this is with plan changes. Straight Talk Wireless now offers 4 different unlimited plans. They differ in price by the amount of hotspot data included with each plan. So now they have unlimited plans, 4 of them. So at least that's what it's saying. But of course, each plan is going to be different with HD video streaming or SD streaming, cloud storage, international calling, or device insurance. You can check more of that out on like their link and stuff. So it's pretty cool. Let's go into this Straight Talk Wireless actually page. So it says Platinum Unlimited, guys. It includes, see the fine print up here. So you really gotta check it out. Let me see. So look at that fine print right there. I should probably change the color or something like that. So there. So that includes 20 gigs of hotspot data and 100 gigs of cloud storage. Of course, this nationwide international calling, mobile protection. So this includes mobile protection, insurance, I'm guessing, unlimited data. This does do video streaming, but remember they do reserve the rights at 60 gigs. So this is what I'm telling you. It does tell you pretty good. For $60 or $5 less, it includes 5 gigs of hotspot. Of course, the plan is 60, or you save $1 with auto refill, which yeah, I don't know about that, but unlimited data. And of course, they do reserve the right at 60 gigs to check out your data. So I'm guessing this one does not have HD video streaming. This one does for 65. This one has 5 gigs of hotspot. This one has 20 gigs of hotspot and 100 gigs of cloud storage. So for that 65, I mean, you're getting a pretty good deal, money wise. So let's scroll down a little bit. All right, so now we have the $55 plan right here. This does come with 15 gigs of mobile hotspot and 100 gigs of cloud storage. Of course, this does have nationwide calling and calls to Canada and Mexico, plus unlimited data for $55. I think that's a really good deal. Unlimited data. Of course, it looks like it's just HSD or standard definition streaming, which does at 480p. They do reserve the rights at 60 gigs, guys. So same thing. I do like that. They just show you right there off the bat. So for 55, you're getting 15 gigs of hotspot and 100 gigs of cloud storage. So not bad at all. So now we have their new 45 unlimited plan, or about $42.50 for 3 months with auto refill. Unlimited data, guys. They do reserve, same thing, the rights to monitor your or review your account after 60 gigs. Nationwide calling plus calls to Canada and Mexico, and 5 gigs of hotspot, which is pretty good, honestly. That's a really good deal, I think. And there's other plans down here, but most people are going to focus on these plans, guys. So pretty cool. Me personally, I like video HD streaming, so I'd probably do 65. I wish they did maybe 55 with HD streaming, but these are standard definition. If you want HD streaming, we'll have to buy up a little bit, but overall, I think it's a good deal. Like I said, I like these kind of changes because it makes other carriers bump up their plan offerings and maybe lower the price. Competition is always good in the cell phone industry, and that's why I like making these videos. So sorry it was so long, guys, but please comment, rate, subscribe. Dynamic Warfare sign off. If you want to support the channel, check out Honey. Saves you a lot of money. You get cash back now on it on websites like Walmart, Best Buy, and stuff like that. I mean, I've gotten $20 back from them. Totally free. Check out in the description below. If you download it free on Google Chrome and you use it the first time and save some money, I do get a little small kickback, so it helps the channel. So thanks so much, and you can support the channel. Everything in the description below. Thank you so much, guys.